In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Looker Studio Report from Raw Datasheet. By the end, you'll know how to take a simple CSV export and turn it into a clean visual report you can share. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and head to the main reporting home. From there, start a new blank report. This gives you a fresh canvas with nothing on it yet, which is perfect when you're building from raw data. On the blank report, you'll be prompted to connect data. Choose to connect to data, and when the connector gallery opens, select CSV file upload. This option is ideal when your source is a raw data sheet saved as a CSV. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Make sure your CSV has a single header row with clear column names, dates in a consistent format, and numbers without symbols like commas or currency signs. Clean inputs here prevent headaches later. Next, you'll be asked to choose or confirm a dataset. Think of a dataset as the container that will hold your uploaded files inside Looker Studio. Pick an existing dataset if you're organizing multiple uploads together, or simply use the default if you're just getting started. Then choose your files and select the CSV you want to use. Once it's selected, click Add to bring the file into your report. If you see a brief authorization or confirmation prompt, just proceed. This is Looker Studio linking the data source to your report canvas. When the upload completes, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see the data panel with all your fields listed. Looker Studio automatically infers data types such as text, number, and date. Accurate types help your charts calculate correctly and ensure date-based visuals behave as expected. If your column names are descriptive and your dates are consistent, this part should look good right away. Now it's time to visualize. Click Add a chart at the top and pick a chart type that matches your question, like a time series for trends, a bar chart for comparisons, or a scorecard for a quick KPI. After adding the chart to the canvas, use the Properties panel on the right to select a dimension, such as a date or category, and one or more metrics, like totals or averages. Keep it simple at first. One clear dimension and one clean metric will help you validate that the data looks right. You can resize the chart, duplicate it, and reuse the same data source across multiple visuals. That's it. You uploaded a CSV, connected it as a data source, reviewed the fields, and added your first chart in Looker Studio. Save your report, and you're ready to build out more views from the same raw data.